All right, on to 1.15. This one's a little bit more interesting. Not all that difficult, but it's more interesting. So it's saying that we have this initial state. Again, we have these possible states of A1, A2, and A3 instead of plus and minus. Um, we have this initial state, and it's asking what's the probability that it will end up in this final state. So to do that, we know that we have our initial state here. And if we have that initial state, what are the chances, what's the probability that it'll end up here in this final state? So we need the probability, so we'll square this. So all we got to do is take the bra of this, do the same thing that we've been doing. We just have two states now, which we've had before. We've tried to do the x direction from the z basis and things like that. But anyways, let's go ahead and remember to complex conjugate this because we need to get the bra of the final. So let's do 1 minus I over root 3 A1 plus 1 over root 6 A2 plus 1 over root 6 A3. And we're going to get the inner product with here, and this is an I also. So we'll, don't complex conjugate this because this is the ket. We're keeping the ket. So I over root 3 A1 plus root 2 over root 3 A2. All right, so what do we got here? So we could go through and multiply this A term with all the terms here, and the A2, all the terms, but we know that A1 and A1, we'll keep that. These are basis states, so they're going to be orthogonal. So if we do A1 and A2, that'll cancel out. That'll be 0. A2 and A1 will be 0. We'll keep A2 and A2. A3 and A1 will cancel. A3 and A2 will cancel. So we'll be left with our A1 and our A1 terms. So that's going to be I times 1 minus I over 3. Our A2 terms are going to be plus, we'll have root 2 in the numerator. And looks like root 18, root 6 and root 3 make root 18 in the denominator. And we're going to square this. So is there an easier way to do this? Let's see. So if we did this, this here, this would be square root of 1 over 9, right? And that would be just 1/3. I shouldn't have erased that. I should keep that work on the board. So originally we had root 2 over root 18 here from right there. But this is the same thing as square root of 2 over 18, which is the same thing as square root of 1 over 9. Square root of 1 is 1, square root of 9 is 3, so that's equal to 1/3. That's where I got that. So that, now that we have equal denominators, now we can just combine them. So plus 1. Still got to square it though. So we'll square that with a complex conjugate. So we have negative I, 1 plus I, change the sign there on that one also, plus 1 all over 3. All right, so if we only worry about the numerator, we know that the denominator is going to be 9. I'll erase that now. The numerator here, let's go ahead and multiply out these i's. So we're going to have I minus I squared plus 1 over there, and negative I minus I squared plus 1 over here. Negative I squared is positive 1, so we have I plus 1 is plus 2. We have plus 1 there also, so negative I plus 2 there. All right, so now we can say we have negative I squared plus 2I minus 2I plus 4. And these cancel out. This becomes a positive 1. We have 1 plus 4 equals 5. It looks like we have 5 ninths. So our A1 probability is going to be 5 ninths. All right, and for our A2, oh, that wasn't A2. That was for the entire state. We did the whole state. So this is the final answer, is that there's a 5 ninths chance of ending in this state, because that's the state that we were checking for. So that's it.